Oh lol. Hi guys, it's ya boy Daniel.
Actually, there's no Q&A. I lied. By the way, I'm not trying to look stupid. This is like my actual pajamas. Question numero un. You would receive $200. Cha-ching. Edit that in. But you would have to go to every game of your local WNBA team. Tickets are free. That's not worth $200 to be honest. Nah, I will not. Let's just skip this. I'm gonna edit this out. You gain superpowers, but become the opposite sex and you're the only one who realizes it. That's pretty much what's happening already, right? Hell yeah, I get tits. You get the ability to heal, but only heal people you don't feel close with. There's no downside to this. Personally, is stupid. Like, you still get the power. Let's just say family. You can masturbate with your mind, but you can only do it in public.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
You can make the best fire videos ever. Oh wow, look at me.
But you have to go through a hallway of 4 deepest fears every night.
Jeez, this one is dramatic. Honestly, I don't even know if that's a plus, like a positive. I mean, I don't know. I mean, being viral is nice now, but I'm gonna have to say no to this. Sorry. I mean, if y'all think making videos is fun, I mean, think about it. Like, I'm gonna stop talking for 2 seconds. Like, this is literally me alone in my room talking to a lamp in a phone with a shirt over it. A lamp, 2 lamps, and a closed door. No, 6. So you take the 1.5, and then you have 6. So you take the 1.5. So you have 5. So that'll be 5 to 1.5. Sure, you can go back in time whenever you want, but if you get within 100 miles of your past self, you die! 100 miles? Really? Dang, that's like here to the city 100 miles away from here. You live in the Star Wars universe, but you have to be Jar Jar. Misa Jar Jar!
The ability to speak does not make you intelligent.
Live in your favorite magical fantasy anime cartoon worlds.
I'm gonna stop you right there.
You become the greatest artist in history. Like, all anyone will ever want you to do is draw porn. I make YouTube videos, so I'm already the greatest artist in history. You can have whatever you want in the world, but it gets stolen 2 months later. And you just get it again. There's literally no downside. This is so dumb. Alright, whatever. I'm just gonna do it. You gain the power to control time. Backwards, forward, pause, and time travel all are all possible. Honestly, that's worth it because you can like prevent Hitler. But then again, like what would happen if Hitler didn't happen?
88!
You'll get everything you need and want in your life. But everyone Africa